Rohit earns 50,000 rupees per month. But by the 10th, his bank balance starts crying.
Rent, groceries, petrol, EMI, and at the end of the month, zero savings.
He thinks 50,000 salary is too small to invest. But that's not true.
Middle class doesn't lose because of low salary. They lose because of no money system. Today, we build that system.
Rohit's 50,000 rupees salary breakdown. Rent 10,000 rupees. Food 8,000 rupees.
Travel 4,000 rupees. Utilities 3,000 rupees. Family 5,000 rupees. Other 5,000 rupees.
After expenses, 15,000 is left. This 15,000 decides his future.
Before investing, emergency fund comes first. 6 months of expenses.
35,000 monthly expense times 6 months equals 2,010,000 emergency fund target. Security first. Growth later. 7,000 rupees per month in index fund SIP. Simple. Low cost. Long term. 7,000 rupees for 20 years at 12% return can grow to nearly 75 lakh rupees. That's the power of compounding.
3,000 rupees in FlexiCap Fund. Diversification with professional management. 2,000 rupees in PPF. Safe. Long term. Government backed. 2,000 rupees in gold ETF or sovereign gold bonds. Protection against inflation.
1,000 rupees in skill development. Learning tools like Google Gemini can increase income. Best investment. Yourself.
Rohit's real goal isn't just investing. It's increasing income by 10 to 20% every year.
Side income, upskilling, freelancing. Investment grows faster when income grows.
No gambling in crypto. No random schemes. No luxury EMI above 30% income. Discipline builds wealth. If Rohit stays consistent for 25 years, he can build a 1.5 to 2 crore portfolio from a 50,000 salary.
Middle class doesn't need motivation. It needs a system. Subscribe to Guide for Middle Class, because your future depends on today's discipline.